Take 2 potatoes, and make a wonderful dinner. For this recipe, I'm going to cut 2 medium potatoes here. Cut into thin pieces, like this here. Now in a container I will be breaking 3 eggs. And with a fork I will be beating very well. And people are already commenting to me what city you are watching us from, and how is the weather in your city. Weather is hot, the weather is cold, comment there and I'll send a super special hug to all of you. I will add green smell. And to season, put a spoon of oregano. A spoon of salt. A pinch of black pepper. And also a pinch of sweet paprika. And I will be mixing very well. And guys, I'm sure you all will love this recipe. This dinner is super delicious and tasty. Now in a frying pan I will be greasing it with a little butter. And adding our potatoes like that. And today I'm going to send a special big hug to 2 people who are always interacting with my videos. A big hug to Jan Schmock in Vermilion, Ohio. And also for Mike Connors in Minnesota. Thank you so much for always commenting. I will now put these potatoes to cook for 7 minutes. After they've cooked, I'm going to add our eggs here. Like this. Cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. And now I'm going to be adding mozzarella cheese here, which is supposed to be much more delicious. And also some oregano. Cover and let the cheese melt. And our recipe, our dinner is ready. It was super delicious and I'm sure you all will love it. So, if you liked it, share it and see you next time.